Okay, we're looking at mixed exercise 9 from the first year core textbook, and we're on question 10. So we've got an exam question, but it's also problem solving, which means we might have to think a bit carefully about how we're going to tackle it. Don't think it's too bad, famous last words, but I think if we think about what they're saying. So we've got, so that first sentence really is just don't forget that at the end. So we've got 4 of these triangular sails. So obviously we're going to find the area of one of them and then multiply that by 4. So that's really just a, are you reading the question carefully mark. Okay, so I've got, so let's just get to a random triangle, I'll do. And so I've got 12, 15 and 20 as my 3 lengths. So basically I just need one of the angles and then I can use half AB sine C. It really doesn't matter which one I get. So I'll get that one. So let's call that A, B and C. So I'm going to do that using cosine rule. So let's just call that angle A. So it's going to be 12 squared is 15 squared plus 20 squared minus 2 times 15 times 20 times the cos of angle A. You can, if you prefer to use the rearranged version of cosine rule, you've got cos A as the subject, that's absolutely fine. We've just never done it like that. So 15 squared plus 20 squared gives me 625, and 2 times 15 times 20. Might do 2 minuses there, do I? Minus 600 cos A. So I'm going to add, you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so anyway, so I'm going to add the 600 cos A over to the left-hand side, and then I'm going to do 625 minus 144 for the right-hand side. So cos A is 481 over 600. So A is arc cos of that. So divided by 600 inverse cos of answer. So I am getting that to be 36. Oh, it's cleared it. Right, let's try again. 481 divided by 600. Inverse cos of that. Right, 36.7 degrees. But actually, I'll just keep that answer in my calculator. So obviously, I rounded that, but I'll keep the full answer in my calculator. Okay, so that angle is 36.7 degrees. Area of a triangle is half AB sine C, so you just need two adjacent sides and the angle between them. So area, again. Right, so area is half times 20 times 15 times sine of the angle between them. So that is just straight into my calculator. So again, I haven't cleared the 36.7, so I'll just use that full answer. So sine of answer times a half times 20 times 15. So that is coming out as 89 points. Well, actually, I'll do this to more than 3 significant figures because we're not quite finished. So 89.67, is that in meters? Yes, that's in meters. And right, so that's in meters. And then this is where we've got to be really careful that we check back in the question and we haven't forgotten that there's 4 of these. So the total amount of wood is going to be that answer times by 4. And again, I just haven't cleared it from my calculator. So now I would say, as this is my final answer, I will now round to 3 significant figures. So that is rounding to 359 square meters, hopefully. Yeah, awesome.